Meaning of geniality.
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 Geniality. Geniality refers to the quality of being friendly, approachable, and congenial. It is a personality trait that is characterized by warmth, friendliness, and a positive attitude. Genial people tend to be open-minded, pleasant, and easygoing, making them enjoyable companions. They are often well-liked and respected for their ability to put others at ease and create a comfortable atmosphere. Geniality can be an asset in personal relationships as well as in professional settings, where it can contribute to better teamwork and productivity. Overall, geniality is a desirable quality that can enrich the lives of those who possess it and those around them.